Ever tried sending money to a supplier overseas, only to be met with a confusing maze of forms, hidden fees, and snail-paced processing times? It's a nightmare, right? Especially if you're a small business owner just trying to keep things running smoothly. International payments can be a real headache. They can be slow, expensive, and sometimes it feels like you're throwing your money into a black hole, hoping it reaches its destination. Now, imagine if there was a business banking platform that could simplify this whole process. A platform designed with the needs of modern businesses in mind. A platform like NorthOne. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial question for businesses operating on a global scale. Can you send international wire transfers with NorthOne? Before we answer that directly, let's quickly recap what NorthOne actually is. For those unfamiliar, NorthOne is a digital banking platform specifically designed for small businesses, freelancers, and startups. It aims to streamline financial management by offering a range of tools and features, including business checking accounts, debit cards, integrations with popular accounting software, and much more. It's all about making banking easier and more efficient for busy entrepreneurs. So, back to our main question. Can you send international wire transfers with NorthOne? The short answer is no. NorthOne does not currently offer the direct ability to send international wire transfers. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's it? Video over? Not quite. While NorthOne doesn't directly facilitate international wires, it's important to understand the context and explore some potential workarounds. First, let's talk about why international wires can be tricky in general. They involve multiple banks across different countries, each with its own regulations, processing times, and fee structures. This complexity is why many traditional banks and even some modern fintech platforms struggle to offer seamless and affordable international wire services. NorthOne focuses on providing a core set of banking tools for everyday business operations within the United States. Their priority is streamlining domestic transactions, managing cash flow, and providing a user-friendly platform for small business finances. International wires, with their inherent complexities, are not currently within their core service offering. However, just because NorthOne doesn't directly offer international wires, doesn't mean you're completely stuck. There are alternative solutions you can consider. One common workaround is using a third-party money transfer service. Companies like Wise, formerly TransferWise, OFX, and Remitly specialize in international money transfers and often offer more competitive exchange rates and lower fees compared to traditional banks. Here's how this could work in conjunction with your NorthOne account. You would use your NorthOne account to fund the transfer to the third-party service, and then the third-party service would handle the international leg of the transaction. This way, you can still manage your business finances within NorthOne while leveraging the expertise of a specialized international transfer provider. Let's illustrate with an example. Imagine you need to pay a supplier in Germany. You have a NorthOne business checking account. Instead of trying to send a wire directly through NorthOne, you would initiate a transfer from your NorthOne account to your account with a service like Wise. Then, you would use Wise to send the funds to your supplier in Germany. This approach offers several advantages. First, these third-party services often provide better exchange rates than traditional banks, which can save you money on each transaction. Second, their fee structures are typically more transparent and predictable, so you know exactly what you're paying up front. Third, they often offer faster processing times compared to traditional international wires. It's important to do your research and compare different third-party services to find the one that best suits your needs in terms of fees, exchange rates, speed, and supported countries. Another potential option, depending on the specific situation, is using other payment methods like PayPal or other online payment platforms that facilitate international transactions. While these might not be ideal for large sums of money or regular business payments, they can be useful for smaller, one-off transactions. Now, it's worth noting that the landscape of fintech is constantly evolving. NorthOne, like other innovative companies, is always working to improve its platform and potentially expand its service offerings. It's possible that in the future, they may integrate international wire transfer capabilities directly into their platform. So, it's always a good idea to check their website or contact their customer support for the most up-to-date information. In summary, while NorthOne doesn't currently offer direct international wire transfers, it's still a powerful banking platform for managing your everyday business finances. By using a third-party money transfer service in conjunction with your NorthOne account, you can effectively navigate international payments while still benefiting from the streamlined tools and features that NorthOne provides. This approach allows you to leverage the best of both worlds, the robust domestic banking features of NorthOne and the specialized international transfer expertise of companies like Wise. It's all about finding the right tools and strategies to manage your business finances efficiently, even when dealing with international transactions. Remember to always compare fees, exchange rates, and processing times before choosing a third-party service. Doing your due diligence will ensure you get the best value for your money and avoid any unnecessary costs. So, to definitively answer the question, can you send international wire transfers with NorthOne? Not directly. But can you effectively manage international payments using NorthOne in conjunction with other services? Absolutely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.